Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. As you know students that we have started our chapter number 5 factorization, HCF, LCM, simplification and square roots. So this belongs to algebra section and I am your math teacher Miss Falak Naz. So, student, let's start. We have started exercise number 5.2 and we were doing question number 2, which is factorize the following. Today, we are going to solve some more examples. So, let's check out this example. Okay, now I'm going to explain this example with the help of video. So, please tell me, is video clear or not? Okay. Okay. Is it clear now? Okay, now let's look at here. What is the question? Exercise number 5.2 question here is factorize the following. And as you can see here, you have three terms. Now, what is this question? First, we will start with the heading of solution. Okay, now what is given to you here? You have x4, x square plus 1. Now, look at here. How many terms are here? Three terms. Okay. How many terms are here? Three terms. So, can we enclose it into a formula? Can anyone tell me if we want to enclose it in the formula, which is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, if we want to enclose it in this formula, so what it will become? It will become, this is x4, so x4 is the square of x square, right? Is it clear? Next is this one x square. This is your middle term, so no need to change it, x square. And this will be your term b. With it will we will take the square of it just like this. Now the question is here we have to check whether this middle term is right or not according to the formula. Like it may fit in this formula, yes or no. So what you required here, it must be 2ab. What it would be? 2ab. Okay, this is a, this is b. So if we are going to put it in this one, so a is a square, okay, and b here is 1. So the answer will be equals to 2x square. And here we have only x square, means we have required 2x square here. How many x square? 2x square. And we have only 1x square. Okay, we have only 1x square. 1 is there, so what we will do, we will only add 1x square here. Okay, just suppose if I'm going to break it, so it will be x square plus x square, it is equals to 2x square. So 1x square is here and we have to add one more x squares to make it a perfect square, which is 2x square. So हमारी ये जो middle term है ये बिल्कुल perfect हो जाएगी. So what we will do, we will add here x square. Understand? Please tell me, is this clear or not? Please tell me, is this clear? Yes or no? Hmm? What we have done so far, we are going to check this middle term now. What we have here, x4 plus x square plus 1. Okay, if we are going to use this formula here, so here we have required a square, 2ab and b square. Okay, fine, no problem. We can take the square of this one, which is x4, so we can write here x square whole square. So it will become a square. Next is 2ab, so this is your middle term, that is 2ab, so you will copy it as it is, which is x square. And this is 1, which will be your term b. So 1 ka square obviously 1 ही होता है, so simply we will write inside the bracket 1 whole square. Okay, now we have to check whether this is right? Or something missing here. Here we have 2x, here we have x square. If we want to enclose it in this formula, so we require 2ab. Okay, so 2 is a coefficient, a is your x square, and term b is 1, right? So when you will multiply it, it will become 2x square. So we can see that here we have only 1x square, and we have required here 2x square. So 1x square is missing now. So we will simply add 1x square. We are not going to add 2x square. If we are moving towards the previous question, remember, this whole term was missing. The whole middle term, it was missing. So we will completely adding this whole missing term, mid term, oh, okay, middle term, right? Here you have a middle term, but something is missing, which is 1x square. Middle term should be 2x square, and we have only 1x square. So simply we will add x square here only. So it will become x square plus x square. It will become 2x square. But the condition is that if we are going to add anything, okay, if we are going to add anything, so we have to subtract that same thing as well. Okay, we are adding x square here, so we are going to subtract this x square as well. Understand? Now tell me, is this step clear or not? Hmm? Clear? Zimel, Ishal? Okay, okay. So I'm repeating again, this is x square. Okay, we are adding this x square to make it a perfect middle term. The thing that we are adding here, we will also subtract it as well. That's why we are writing here minus x square. Now simply what you will do, you will arrange these terms together. How? Simply you will write here x square whole square, okay, plus x square, this one, plus x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. Okay, I had just arranged it. Okay, then I'm going to add it. So it will become x square whole square plus 1 plus 1, it will become 2x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. Okay, so what it will be here, now we can apply a formula. Here we can apply a formula. Which formula? Formula number 1, 2 or 3? Formula number 1, 2 or 3. Which formula can we apply here? Formula number 1, which is basically a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now we have to decide here which is our term A, which is our term B. So it is very clear that this is your term A and this is your term B. So you have to enclose it into this formula, which is A plus B whole square. So instead of this, you are going to write it down that this whole term, okay, this whole term is basically equals to A plus B whole square. So we are going to enclose it in the formula. So we will write here, instead of a, we will write x square formula plus the formula, then 1. Term b here is 1 and its whole square. So we have enclosed this whole thing into this formula. Is it clear? Is this clear? Hmm? Is this clear? Okay, what we have done, we simply enclose this whole thing into this formula. Now, what is left here? This one, minus x square. What is left here? Minus x square, right? Now, as you can see, this is already in square form. Very good, Fatma. Okay, now this is also already in square form, and we have to take the square of this one, minus whole x square. Okay, now here we are going to apply our formula number 3, which is a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b. यहाँ तक clear है? Is it clear? What we have done so far, we took the square of x square. Okay, now we are going to apply this formula, which is our formula number 3. A square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b. Now simply we are going to expand our formula here. Okay, we are going to expand the formula here. Now we have to decide which is term a and term b. Okay, term a is this one, this is term a, and this will be term b. Okay, this is term a and this will be term b, right? So what we will write here, this whole thing is now equals to a. What is a square plus 1. So you will write here a square x square plus 1. Then sign of minus, which is in formula, you will write here minus. Then term b, which is x, so you will write here x. That's it. Okay, now move on towards the next bracket. Again you will require here a. So what is a here? X square plus 1. So you will write here x square plus 1. Okay, then inside the formula we have plus sign. What is term b here? This one, which is x. You will write here x. That's it. Okay, now at the last we will arrange it. Okay, what we will do, we will arrange it from descending to from in descending order. Okay, so you will write it down here x square minus x plus 1, and again we are going to arrange this one x square plus x plus 1. Simple. This is your answer. Clear or not? Hmm? A little bit difficult here is just to decide what you are going to add or subtract. That's it. Okay, simply you have to decide what you are going to add and subtract, and you are going to add and subtract with the help of this middle term, which is 2ab. Okay, you will decide now 2ab should be equals to 2x square, and it is basically only x square. So that's why we will add x square. Now the thing which we are going to add here, we will have to subtract it as well. So simply we will write plus x square and minus x square, and simply we will arrange it and then add it, and then enclose this whole thing into a formula, which is equals to a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Simple. Now this is already in square form, and you have to take the square of this one, so it will be only x and its whole square. Now again you will apply here your formula number 3, which is equals to a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b. That's it. And then you will expand this whole thing, and at the end you will arrange it. So this is your final answer. Is it clear? Hmm? Is it clear? Sure. Okay, should I move on to the next question? Okay, thank you. Now, next is this one, which is again like bit number 1 that we have done yesterday. Okay, what you have here again, this is from exercise number 5.2. Okay, and question number 2, which is factorize the following. So you will start it with the heading of solution. Okay, and given here you have is 64 a8 plus b8. Okay, what is given to you? 64 a raised to the power 8 plus b raised to the power 8. Okay, can we take the square of it? Okay, इसको square form में कैसे ला सकते हैं? 64 is the square of what? 64 is the square of what? Students, please reply. Okay, Fozia, very good. Ishal, good. No, Bilal, wrong answer. Zaid, good. Okay, Abdullah Khan. Now, 64 is the square of basically 8. Similarly, here you have A8. So A8 is the square of what? A8 is the square of what? Hmm? A8 is the square of what? 8 is to the power. Very good, Mariam. Anyone else? Yes, Ishal, right answer. So A raised to the power 8 is the square of A4. So we will take 8 the whole square. Okay. Similarly, we will do this with this one as well. So it will be B4 and its whole square. So 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8 and 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8 and 8 adds a 64. Is it clear? Okay, now what is missing here? What is missing here to make it a perfect square? What is missing here? Hmm? 2ab, yani कि middle term is missing here. So we will decide what will be our 2ab. Okay, so look at here, this is 2. Okay, plus ka hi hoga because here we have plus na. So 2, what will be a? What will be a? What will be a? Term a kya hogi? Very good, Fozia. Very good, Bete Fozia. Very good, Ishan. So term A will be this one, which is 8A4. And term B will be this one, which is very good, which is B4. Very good, Hamza. That's it. So what we will do, we will add this middle term here. So to make it a perfect square. So we will write here, we can make 64A8 plus B8 a perfect square. Okay, a perfect square by adding what? By adding this one, which is 2 bracket 8A4 bracket B4. Okay, but what is the condition? If you are going to add anything, so you have to subtract the same thing. Yes, also subtract. So we will write, so we add and subtract. Okay, इसको हम add भी करेंगे and we will also subtract it, which is 28A4 B4. Okay, now look at here, how will you write it? That term that you are going to add, you will write in between these two values because this is your middle term now. So you will write it down here 8 in this one. Okay, this step I'm going to continue this step. 8A4 whole square. Okay, now we will add the middle term, which is plus 2 8 A4 bracket close bracket B4. Then this one, which is term B, plus B4 whole square. Okay, now it will become a perfect formula for us. Right? Now we have add the middle term, but we have to subtract it as well. So we will subtract it at the end. We will write it here minus 2 8A4 B4. Clear? Is this step clear? Is this step clear? Hmm? Anyone else? Only Ishwal is replying. Where are other students? Okay, Hamza. Anyone else? Bilad? Maida? Okay, Maida. Okay, Mariam. Okay, Zed. Okay, Zed, where were you yesterday? Okay, Sanya. Sanya, is it clear, beta? Okay, fine. Now look at here. What we will do? We are going next. What will be the next step? What will be the next step? Which formula we are going to use here? Formula number 1, 2, or 3? Which formula, beta? Formula 1, 2, or 3? Formula number 1. Okay, so we are going to use here a formula which is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now look at here. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now what is term a here? This one. Okay, this is your term a and this is your term b, or simply you can take it from here as well. This is a and this is a and this is b. So you are going to enclose this whole thing into the formula. Which step beta Zimel? Zimel, which step are you asking? This one or this one? Before formula. Okay, you know what we have to do? We have to make it a perfect square. यहाँ तक समझ आया? Okay, so we have to add 2ab here. Okay, we have decided that our 2ab will be a will be 8a4 and b will be b4. Okay, so we will write here we can make 64a8b8 a perfect square by adding this thing. And you know, if you are going to add anything, so you have to subtract this as well. So we will write, so we add and subtract 2 8a4 b4. Right, now what we are going to do, we are going to add this middle term. Okay, obviously we have decided that this is our middle term, so we will put it in between these two things, because this is our a square and this is our b square, and this will be our 2ab. So we will write here first 8a4 whole square, then plus we are going to add it first, which is 2 8a4 b4 plus sign, and then this one which is b4 whole square. Now we will enclose it in a bracket because it will become a complete formula. And then the thing which we are adding here, we have to subtract it as well. We have written here that we add and subtract this one. Add हमने यहाँ कर लिया. Now we are going to subtract it at the end, which is minus 2 8a4 b4. That's it. Now we are going to apply the formula over this thing. Okay, may I apply the formula here? Now first we have to decide it that this is a and this is b, so we will enclose it in the formula, which is a plus b. So what is a here? This one, which is 8a4 plus b is b4 and whole square. Right, now we have enclosed this whole term into this form. Right, now what is left here? This is, now we are going to multiply it. 2 multiply 8 will be minus aa jayega. 2 multiply by 8 will be 16 a4 b4. That's it. Now what we will do next? What we will do next? Anyone please tell me? Formula. Before applying the formula, we will take the square of this one. Yes, Ishal, we will take the square of this one before applying formula. Okay, this is already in square form. So I'm going to write it down on the next page. Okay, just a minute. What we have here, 8a4 plus b4 whole square. Now we are going to take the square of this one. So 16 is the square of 4. So we'll write minus 4. A4 is the square of a square. So we will write here a square as well as b square and its whole square. Now please tell me, is this step clear? Is this step clear? Okay, fine. Okay, now we are going to apply the formula, which is a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b. Right, now we will expand the formula. Very good, Mariam. We will expand the formula. This is term a, so we will write first term a, which is 8a4 plus b4. Okay, formulas minus sign. B, what is our term b? This one. So we will write here 4a square b square bracket close. Right, again term a, which is this one, 8a4 plus b4, sign of addition which is in formula. Then term b, which is a square b square bracket close. Now at the last we are going to arrange it with respect to the variable a. Okay, simply arrange it with respect to the variable a. So we will write 8a4 minus 4a square b square plus b4. Simply you are going to arrange this one, which is 8a4, then this one plus 4a square b square plus b4 bracket close. This is your answer. Clear or not? Please tell me, is it clear? Hmm? Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, students. Now start your work. Open your copies and write down the index in your copies, everyone. Hurry up, write down the index in your copy. This is your index, exercise number 5.2, question number 2, bit number 3, and start solving it. And please, oh, just a minute. Hmm. Turn your videos on as well, everyone. Now you may turn your videos on, hurry up. Please, beta. After writing down the index, please turn on your videos. Hmm? Hurry up. Okay, but please tell me, have you done with the index? Done with the index? Okay, now start solving question number 2, bit number 3, everyone. Question number 2, bit number 3. This one, bit number 3. Everyone. And please turn on your videos so that I can check your work. Hurry up. Student, please start your work. No one is sharing the video. Why? Okay, who is this? Ishar. Very good. Okay, I'm going to show the Ishar's work. Okay, Ishar, very good. Start your work, beta. Mm-hmm. Good. Right. Right. Okay. Very good. Good. Okay. Now arrange it. Good. Very good. Keep going on. Ali Rao, where are you? Okay, Meda, done. Very good, Meda. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Fatma is doing very good, Fatma. Okay, fine. Good. Mhm. Good. That's good. No, 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 no. First take the square of A. Write it down inside the bracket. A whole square. Remember? No. Next step, beta, in the next step. Here. A square plus 1 whole square minus ब्रैकेट ए होल स्क्वायर और वहां से ब्रैकेट हटा दीजिएगा. Now apply the formula. Good. Okay, Fatma, keep going on. Who is this? Abdul Rahman. Without crossing, you cannot do the work, Abdul Rahman. Very bad. Very bad. Like, like this is what this is. Cuttings, cuttings, and cuttings. That's it. Okay, Meda, I'm checking your work. Very good. Very good. That's good. Anyone else? Where is Rumesa, Faleha, Abdullah, Sania, Mahnoor, Iman Asif, Zimal, Abdullah Alam? Where are you, students? Ali Rao, Fawzia. Only few students are sharing their videos. Very good, Ishwar. Where is the sign of equality here? Who will put it? Teacher will put it? Hmm? ये कहाँ डाल दिए? Good, 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 good. Okay, fine. यहाँ नहीं आने. Here. Erase this sign of equality here. Zimal. Okay, class, I am going to end the lecture here. Okay, Zimal, I am checking your work. Very good. Shabash. Excellent. Okay, now I'm going to post your homework today, so please complete your homework as well. Okay. Zimal, please share the previous work. Okay, I'm going to end the lecture here. I would like to say Allah Hafiz. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me right now. If you have any question, please ask. No question?